Hi there. In today's video, we will learn about HTML comments. HTML comments means adding text or code inside of our HTML document for the purpose of not displaying them on web pages or browsers. So why do we add comments if we don't want them to display inside of our browsers? We add comments to explain what some of our code does. Sometimes you write codes and few days later, you even forget what some of your code means. So leaving comments help you and people reading your code understand what a specific piece of code does. It is therefore a good practice to add comments to your HTML documents, especially when working on bigger projects or in a team. With comments, you can add a reminder or a to-do item in your HTML code. So you can leave comments to remind you that you need to do something inside of your code later on. You can also use comments to hide code temporarily, especially when you are debugging your code for errors. Sometimes when you write code and run them, the expected output is not displayed. It may be that you've made a mistake inside of your code. So you can comment your code line by line and run them to see whether you find where the problem is. To add a comment, open a left angle bracket followed by an exclamation mark, 2 hyphens, and then close it with 2 hyphens and a right angle bracket. Add your comment in between these two. You can add a single or multi-line comment so far as the content is between the HTML comment tag. Let's get into our editor and create some comments. So over here, I've created a new file and save it as comments.html. Go inside of your body, create a new paragraph. Let's leave a comment on top of the paragraph. So open a left angle bracket, an exclamation, 2 hyphens, and tell people that this is a paragraph. And then close it with 2 hyphens and then a right angle bracket. Save this, Ctrl+S, and then right click inside of your code and run this, and let's see the results. So over here inside of our browser, you can see that this is the boy is displaying, that's our paragraph, but our comment is not displaying over here. Let's uncomment this and then let's see whether it will display when we run this again. Save this, right click inside of your code, open in browser. So you can see that this is a paragraph is displaying over here because it's uncommented, and this is a boy, that is our paragraph is also displaying. So let's go back and comment this one over here. So to comment this, we have a shortcut. So highlight this one and then hold down Ctrl and then your /, and this will comment this for you. You can add as many comments as you like. I will create 3 paragraphs over here. So basically I'm leaving a comment over here to tell myself or other people reading my code that I will create 3 paragraphs over here later on. So I'm leaving a reminder over here. You can also comment some of your code temporarily if you don't need them. So let's create a paragraph. So I'm creating 3 paragraphs over here. And then save this and then run your code. So this is a boy, it's our first paragraph. This is our second paragraph, and then the other two paragraphs over here. So what I want to do is, I don't need this paragraph right now. So I'm going to comment this. Save this. And then when I run this, you can see that the paragraph with the contents, paragraph 2, is not displaying. So I've commented it out temporarily to show people that I don't need this code right now. Maybe later on I can add it back. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like and share this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.